G'day guys, Greg here. Well, it is subscription box review time once again, and today I'm going to be reviewing this box right here. It's the Europe crate, and it's actually from Germany. Now, there must have been something really good in it because the Australian government had to open it up and suss out something that was inside. Now, they did say no items were found and none were taken, so let's hope so, because if anything's missing from here, the old Grego won't be happy. Anyway, let's suss out what we get in the Europe crate. Oh, yeah! Okay. Ooh, welcome to Europe. Oh, wow. You know, I have been to Europe several times and, well, it's fantastic. But, okay, so here's your little booklet here with, well, it looks like something from Britain and, well, some other things with some nice photos. Oh, and here it shows what we're getting inside. Yeah. All right. Well, I hope it's got this much stuff because there seems to be pages of it. Anyway, let's suss it out. Okay. Well, we've got some proper chips here. They could be good. Oh, some oven-baked... Well, whatever it is, well, I think they used to be chips, but they are absolutely crushed into powder now. Look at that. Thanks a lot, quarantine. We've got here a... Can I even say that? A Kunterbunt. Whoa! Can't wait to try that one. Now, we got some super crisp paprika. Mate, all these chips are just so crushed. Oh, what's this? Naba Espapia. Oh, I love Naba Espapias. I've got Nick Knacks. Wonder what they're made out of. Oh, peanuts it looks like. Oh, Milka Oreo. Oh, I'm going to like that. A crunchy, well, we sell those here, but it is one of my favourite chocolates of all time. And this isn't even broken, I don't think. We've got a Kinder Happy Hippo. I wonder if they can sell these in America. I heard that they don't sell Kinders because they could hurt people, but hey, you can buy an AR-15. Ha! Good on you, fellas. And a Finney Roller Fizz. Oh boy, that sounds good. All right. Now I've tried these ones before. I'll put those back, but I'll try a few of these things just to see how good they are. Right. Which one will I start off with? I might start off with these pancake chips that are just salt and vinegar flavoured. My least favourite of all chips, actually. Well, they're not chips anymore, they're crumbs. I don't know, it just makes downstairs come right up here. That's the vinegar side of things, you know. A bit bland. I think we could probably do without trying chips, can't we? I mean, who hasn't had chips before? All right, how about we get stuck into some Kunterbunts. Be very careful how you say it. Might get in a world of trouble from someone if you say it wrong. All right, well, I can see the Kunterbunts in here. It looks like a pastry with some chocolate and, well, what I'm assuming is sort of like M&Ms. I can see myself on the couch watching Sopranos just gnawing into the packet of this, and mate, it's a pretty full packet too, and there's quite a lot in there. Oh, I love the Kunterbunts. All right, well, it's time for some knickknacks. Paddy whack, give your dog a bone. Oh, this old man can't open the packet. Oh, those Germans sure do know how to make plastic. All right. Oh, yum. They look edible. They got like a porky flavour about them. An imitation bacon. Is that what flavour they are? Because if they're not, then they sure do taste like it. Good and crunchy. Time for a Naba S Papier Einhorn. So is unicorn called Einhorn? The old Einhorn. I know that's a word I'm going to be using from now on every morning when I wake up with my Einhorn. Sort of smells strawberry, but I'm a bit confused at what these are. Do you write on them or something? Or do you post them? Are they actually edible? There's like tons of little sheets of the Einhorn in there. There's more than iron in there. There's more like 12. What on earth is this? You know when you buy something and it's got a foam outer covering on it, or those little foam pellets or beads? It's like biting into one of those that's got a really slight strawberry flavour. Definitely has the same texture though. Well, that is really one of the weirdest things I've ever eaten. Time for a happy hippo. Oh yeah. If this tastes any good, I'll be a happy hippo too. All right. What? I'm not too sure how happy that hippo would be, especially if it looked in the mirror and saw that it looked like this. I'm pretty sure it'd be a very disappointed hippo. Oh, whoa, mate. That outer shell in there is delicious, and as soon as I brought it up to my mouth, it was so creamy and moist tasting, and the chocolate inside is something else. This hippo is happy. All right, well, the last thing I'll try out of this box is the Finney Roller. I've got a feeling this might be really nice. Oh, yeah. Green on one side, yellow on the other, and multiple colours in between. Let's see how long it is. Oh, boy. That's got to be about 18 inches. Oh, man, that is super sour. But super tasty too. Well, there you go. 10 European snacks I got today. This cost 34 US dollars, which is about 50 Aussie dollars. What do you think of the Europe crate? 50 bucks? I think I prefer the equivalent in KFC. But what's your impression? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat a crate. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the